This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Help the zombie get to the sunflower. So here I am. I have 1 block on the screen, check, and I can only use 5. Ooh, they want me to use just a single move forward block. Yikes. Well, I'm going to do what I usually do. I'm going to put a lot of code here just to see if I can kind of get an idea. So it looks like I think move forward 3 times maybe. And then what? Well, I don't want to go that way because that would be death. But I think I do want to turn to the left and then move forward a bunch, maybe. Something like that. And maybe one more. Then maybe to the right. Ooh, this looks complicated. And again, I'm guessing. I might be wrong. If I crash into a wall, it's okay. You can be wrong when testing stuff out. Code. Oh, uh-oh. Well, don't die, though. I just died. Whoopsie daisies. Whoopsie. Zombie planties. Ah. Left, right. Okay. But I'm way over. So, how could I do this? Let's see. Well, you should be yelling at me because I have this here, right? I have 3 move forward in a row. Why don't I just say, hey, as long as there's path ahead, I move forward. Now, I'm first going to show you a way that won't quite get us there, but you're on the right track. So as long as there's path ahead, I'm going to move forward. Now look, I move forward 4 times again. Let me get rid of that. I'm repeating myself. As long as there's path ahead, keep going. All right? Let's see what this will do. So I'm going to check each time, is there path ahead, move forward. Path ahead, true, move forward. Path ahead, false, then I'll turn right. Path ahead, true, move forward. True, move forward, true, move forward. False, turn right, move forward. But I'm still over, okay? And that is a problem. And if I take a look, I could keep going like this. So I turned right, and then what if I do this again? Boom. And just for fun, let's say I turn right at the end. Wait a minute here. What's going on? Do you notice? So we have the exact same lines of code right here. We can put a repeat or a while loop inside of one. So instead of saying this 3 times, goodbye, what if I do this? I'm going to say, hey, keep doing this thing until we get to this plant. So let me try. I want to do a step through first because this is a bunch of code. So what will first happen is I'm going to say, hey, are you at the plant? And this will be like, nope, you're not at the plant. Okay, so do this. And then I'll check, is there path ahead? You'll see my little beam go out. Step. Am I at the plant? Not at the plant. Okay, do this. Here's my beam. Zoop. And now there is a path ahead, so I can move forward. I hit the bottom. Zoop. Now I have to check again. Path ahead? Yep. So I'm going to move forward. You're about to see that little beam thing again because I hit the bottom. Zoop. Path ahead. Is there path ahead? True. So I move forward. You'll see the beam one more time because I got to check. Is there path ahead? Nope. No, that's false now. And since this is now false, I skip over this do. That won't run. Instead, I just drop to the line below and I'll turn right. Now I hit this and it says, are you at a sunflower? Nope, I'm not. So we go ahead, repeat until sunflower, do this. While path ahead. I check if there's path ahead. There is, so I can move forward. I hit the bottom, back to the top, and I have to keep checking if there's path ahead, and if there is, I move forward, right? Now I'm going to check one more time, path ahead. This is false, so I don't do the do. There's no more path. Once this is false, we're done with the loop, and I can go down here and turn right. Now I hit the bottom of this, and I have to keep going because we're not at a sunflower yet. Victory! Yeah, we did it! Onward!